In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable developer options on Pixel phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. Now, enabling developer options on your Google Pixel is the best method to unlock advanced system tweaks, activate USB debugging, speed up system animations, and more. So what you want to do is go ahead to your settings application on your phone. Then scroll all the way to the bottom, and then towards the bottom, you're going to see about phone. So scroll, like tap on that, and then scroll down to the bottom of that, and then you're going to see build number. Tap build number 7 times very quickly, and then it might ask you for your PIN or password, and then it's going to say you are now a developer. Now, when you go back to your normal settings, select system, and then at the bottom, you're going to see developer options. So go over to developer options and it's going to look like that. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. Over here, you're going to be able to see so many different settings that you can, change at will, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.